Hey, what's up guys? And today we're diving deep into the world of truly wireless earbuds with the Sony WF-1000XM5. These earbuds have been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. Sony has packed a ton of features into these tiny buds, but are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Sony has a strong reputation for noise cancellation, and the WF-1000XM5S are no exception. But how do they stack up against the competition? We'll be taking a close look at their sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, comfort, and more. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about the Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds and see if they live up to the hype. Let's talk sound. The Sony WF-1000XM5S boasts a new driver unit that promises to deliver rich, detailed audio. And you know what? They deliver. The bass is punchy without being overwhelming, the mids are clear and present, and the highs are crisp and detailed. Whether you're listening to your favorite tracks, podcasts, or watching videos, these earbuds provide an immersive listening experience. Sony's LDAC codec further enhances the audio quality, delivering high-resolution audio wirelessly. If you're an audiophile looking for truly wireless earbuds that don't compromise on sound, the Sony WF-1000XM5S are definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about the star of the show, noise cancellation. The Sony WF-1000XM5S features Sony's latest noise-canceling technology, and it's impressive. They effectively block out a wide range of ambient noises, from the hum of an airplane engine to the chatter of a busy street. The earbuds create a peaceful bubble around you, allowing you to focus on your music or podcast without distractions. They also feature a transparency mode that lets you hear your surroundings when you need to. The noise cancellation on the Sony WF-1000XM5S is some of the best we've ever tested, making them ideal for commuters, travelers, and anyone who wants to escape the noise of everyday life. Section 4. Battery life and comfort all-day listening. Pleasure. Battery life is crucial for truly wireless earbuds, and the Sony WF-1000XM5S don't disappoint. They offer up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge with noise cancellation enabled, and the charging case provides an additional 16 hours. That's more than enough juice to get you through a long day of listening. And if you need a quick boost, a 5-minute charge provides up to an hour of playback. Comfort is also key for long listening sessions. The Sony WF-1000XM5S come with a variety of ear tip sizes to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. They're lightweight and ergonomic, making them comfortable to wear for hours on end. Section 5. User feedback and comparisons. What are people saying? The Sony WF-1000XM5S have received overwhelmingly positive reviews from users and critics alike. Users praise their exceptional sound quality, impressive noise cancellation, and comfortable fit. Many users consider them to be the best truly wireless earbuds on the market. Compared to competitors like the Apple AirPods Pro and the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, the Sony WF-1000XM5S hold their own. They offer a more neutral sound profile compared to the AirPods Pro's bass-heavy sound, while their noise cancellation is on par with the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. Overall, the Sony WF-1000XM5S are a top contender in the truly wireless earbuds market, offering a compelling combination of features and performance. Section 6. Conclusion: GadgetVox's verdict. So, there you have it, folks. The Sony WF-1000XM5S are an impressive pair of truly wireless earbuds that excel in almost every area. From their exceptional sound quality and industry-leading noise cancellation to their long battery life and comfortable fit, these earbuds are a joy to use. If you're in the market for a premium pair of truly wireless earbuds that deliver an exceptional audio experience, the Sony WF-1000XM5S should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to GadgetVox for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.